There isn't a one-size-fits-all list of retrospective topics. Instead, every event is different and based on what the team needs to cover.
Or uncover.
But some common topics include achievement
or not
of the sprint goal, impediments and blockers, quality of our work, team morale and satisfaction,
Woo-hoo!
the state of team collaboration and communication, and the pace at which we are delivering value or not.
Or not. Keep in mind that retrospectives follow Vegas rules. What happens in the event stays in the event, unless participants agree to share details outside of the group.
There are some topics that are always off limits. Be sure to avoid bringing up things like gossip or rumors about other teams or individuals,
No.
personal attacks or blame, maybe issues that the team can't do anything about,
That's not for you.
and evaluations of a single team member's performance.
We avoid these topics because the goal isn't to vent or point fingers. It's to have a healthy conversation that results in a collective sense of ownership and accountability.